At school. Time to go.
What is it? It's my school bag. I put my books in my school bag. I put my exercise book in my school bag. What is it? It's my pencil case. I put my ruler in my pencil case. I put my pen in my pencil case. I put my sharpener in my pencil case. I put you in my pencil case. Help! I put you in my pencil case. Help! Girls. Word book.
What is it?
It's a pencil.
What is it?
It's a rubber.
What is it?
It's a ruler.
What is it?
It's a sharpener.
What is it?
It's a pen.
What is it?
It's a book.
What is it?
It's an exercise book.
What is it?
It's a school bag.
What is it?
It's a pencil case.
What is it?
It's a felty pen. Tell me. A cat. A box. A cat in the box. A ball. I put the ball in a box. Me. It's me.
You. It's you.